Yeah, hello and welcome to Blasterparts. So today, as promised, we present you our range test with our upgrade kit for the NERF Centurion. We did the test in front of our store. It was quite a windy day, so accuracy was not that good, but I think it's still much better than it used to be with the big mega darts. Yeah, we used 3 clips, 18 darts, so altogether 54 darts. And afterwards we measured the range, and in the end of this video you see the result. So yeah, maybe a bit faster. Second magazine. Here's the third clip. Yeah, and the result. So found the first darts here around 37 feet. I think these were some of the ones which hit the balcony. So also some here at like 45, 47 feet. So, and most of the darts we found here in the corner, it's in the range of 75, 77 feet. Like, and the dart which flew farthest we found at 96 feet. Yeah, here's the result, number of darts at a certain range, and here summarize the results. Average range was 73.5 feet and maximum range was 95, 96 feet. Thank you.